The STEM Greenhouse is an organization that is dedicated to preparing children of color for careers in science, technology, engineering, and math. SAGE stands for Sustainable Agriculture, Gardening, and Ecology. And a lot of times children of color do not have access, just knowledge about careers and STEM careers in agriculture, natural resources, and the environment. So I wanted to give kids an opportunity to learn about science as it relates to agricultural and environmental issues in our world. And at the same time, we wanted to make sure that the students were staying on track with all of the standards, all of the science standards for middle school in Michigan, as well as just the next generation science standards.
Being part of the SAGE program, we are a 16-week program that enters in the classroom twice a week, and I feel throughout our 16 weeks the students gain confidence. When we go in, they're often intimidated by science. It's not for me, it's a high school thing. So they will often say, we didn't ask you to be here, we don't want you to be here, I don't want to be part of the STEM program. But then when it's time for us to leave, they don't want us to leave. And they often ask, when are you coming back? That was so much fun. I had so much fun, please don't go. So I love to see them do a complete 180, despising science, thinking they can't do it, and then not wanting us to leave at the end of our program.
I really like this program. It helped me a lot with getting to know more about my career, and I really like the experiments. It made me get to know new people and get to know jobs that I didn't even know about, and that's really fun.
I think it's important for students to be in the SAGE program because it's fun while you're learning different stuff, and like projects are cool, our field trips are very cool, and I'm way better now than I used to do. I'm answering more questions and asking more questions, and I didn't used to do that, but now I am.
A young man came to my office and he was running, and I could tell he was excited, but I didn't know which excitement was. He took me to the classroom, and I seen the impact that the STEM program was having on our kids. All the kids were in there excited, laughing, off their phones. Full attention was on what they were doing. And within that 15-20 minutes I was in the classroom, I left the school refocused, re-energized, saying like, okay, you know what? This is what we need to bring back. This is what my goal of seeing in my building that I'm running is this type of impact that the kids are having. So STEM has just done wonders.